Welcome to Tech Solution. How do you set up a TP-Link extender using the WPS method? Plug your extender into a power outlet near the router. You can relocate the extender after completing the setup. 2. Wait for the power LED to be on solid before continuing. 3. Push the WPS switch on the router once the power LED is solid. Four. Make sure the WPS LED is flashing. 5. Within 2 minutes, force the WPS switch on the extender. Some have 2 wireless networks. Installation and setting up a dual-band extender are different. 6. You should see an LED indicator for 2.4 GHz and, on some models, 5 GHz. If these LEDs light, it means your extender has been successfully connected. 7. You can relocate your extender. We recommend locating the extender in a unique place and making sure your extender has an excellent wireless signal. 8. Once your extender is in place, could you wait for it to connect? 9. Look at the signal indicator to determine if you have installed it in a good location. Thanks for watching.